There's like no easy thing anymore. You're stuck inside, I'm stuck inside, everybody's community's stuck inside, which really got me to think, how can we reward our communities a little bit more and kind of mix up the monotony of day in, day out streaming that you're probably doing every day because you're home more than ever, and so are your viewers. Well, in this video right here, I came up with some really awesome ideas of how to really engage more with your audience, or how to really keep your community strong outside of just the normal streaming situations that you're probably doing. So buckle in, because I've got some awesome ideas that I'd like for you to try in the upcoming weeks, and we're getting started right after this. Looking to upgrade the production value within your stream? Look no further than Owned.tv. From overlays to alerts to stinger transitions to emotes, Own3D has got you covered from beginner to professional. Simply find a graphic or design that fits your style and flair for your stream, and before you purchase, you can see how it will look with their interactive showcase. It's time you became bigger and better by heading over to Owned.tv by clicking in the links below. Hey, welcome back, all you awesome people. I miss you so much. First of all, let me just say, I hope you're all staying safe and sane. And I feel like one of the things I should really do is give you some ideas on how to mix up your streams, or at least experiment and reward some of your members that come in day out that might be getting a little tired of watching your content if it's the same thing over and over. And I think these are some fun ideas, so let's get right into it. Right off the bat, we have an obvious one. It's Discord. Discord's a great place to get to know your community and your viewing audience outside of the streaming platform. However, most streamers' Discords suck. Eventually, they just all become dumping grounds of old memes that people put in that they think are funny. They are not. However, people miss on a really key element here within Discord. Since you have people coming in your community, you might want to get to know them on a deeper level, which is why I would recommend perhaps rotating in once a week or once a month a get to know you kind of thread or channel where people can introduce themselves as a viewer, a moderator, a streamer, and you can really cultivate strong relationships. And yeah, they can even have a chance to promote themselves a little bit. This is a great way to build up a community that you can be at the helm of. And not to mention, this has a really cool kicker of the fact that you're building a deeper relationship with your viewers, your regulars, your moderators, and even your subscribers, which means better retention as you keep going forward with your streaming career. This is actually a really cool tip that I should follow. However, I don't really like the Discord platform, so if you want to do anything with me, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Number 2 is, if you're all tired of playing games but still want to hang out with your community, Watch Parties is a great new option that's rolling out to partners and affiliates. Now, obviously, fair warning, you have to have an Amazon Prime account to do Watch Parties, but hey, this is a great way to interact with your audience and really build, again, that community aspect and also entertain while you get to relax. Now, if you don't have an Amazon Prime, it's okay, or if you want to find out anything more about Watch Parties, got you covered on both aspects. I'll put a link down for Amazon Prime and a link down to the blog of how everything works on a watch party for Twitch. Number 3 is a hypocritical point because I'm talking about not really playing games, but number 3 is about playing games, but essentially it's party games where you get to invite your community or viewing audience in. And trust me, these are awesome. There's things like Golf with Friends or any of the Jackbox collection games. These are all fantastic to play with your community, and everybody's gonna have a good, fun time laughing and playing with you. I really recommend trying these games out. Now, these come with a warning. These games are not for growth because they're always very low on the ranking system and there's not a lot of people coming in. These are just sheerly for you playing with your community to reward them and build those connections out. But hey, I really recommend it because it's super fun. Speaking of games, number 4 is also going to be hypocritical because it is also about more or less playing games. Hey, you should really consider doing tournaments. Tournaments are really fun to expose your community to. Now, you don't have to have a reward at the end, but if you want to do a gift sub to whoever wins, that's really cool. You can do tournaments on games like Rocket League or even Marbles on stream. It's really fun to get everybody interactive and playing, and yeah, even competing, because when people compete against each other, it's going to bring more people in and have that higher retention. Trust me, this is one of my favorite things to do and people love it. No joke, tournaments is an awesome tip. I've given this tip to so many of my friends that have started streaming, and they've seen not only their numbers go up, but their retention stay stronger throughout their entire stream. All right, I forgot what number I'm on, but hey, we're on to the next one. One of my personal favorite ones to do that I do all the time is play games off of streaming platforms. Yeah, I play online games, but I don't stream them all the time, and I'll play with like my viewers or community members. But you know what one of my favorite things to do is play with other streamers. Because when you have those real life conversations, you get good ideas, you get good tips, you get natural feedback from those people that's gonna help you build your community. Plus, you're gonna be sharing your communities because you're building bigger relationships for when you send raids or host. This is something that's really, really awesome, and it's a tip that I recommend everybody try. There's one thing you all need to understand out there right now. We're all stuck at home, which means people are consuming more content than ever. But people don't want to see the same thing day after day after day after day. You blend into the masses. You're not really producing anything super unique or super important for them to show up day in and day out. Which is why you got to mix it up or build those longer lasting relationships so that way your retention keeps going up and up and up. So that way you can reach things like affiliate or partner, which is what I want for you. I want you to be successful, and now is a great time to build your community or even just start it. Now, I've got some really awesome videos that are coming up really soon that I think you're all gonna really love. That's gonna help you be bigger and better as you go forward on your streaming platform. But until then, I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that gives you some awesome tips that you should be following right now to get you where you need to go while the getting's good. That was a tough sentence. Until next time, all of you beautiful people, Wild here. As always, stay safe, and of course, peace.